Hello everyone, welcome everyone, old, new, in between. I know you're not old. I know you're not old. You're just my faithful crew that comes back and watches all my videos. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, I hope you enjoy this. There was a part 1 for DIYChoose. It will be linked over there and you can check out that. It was a tool video. But this is all diamond painting. So let's look at it and see what we have. Okay, let's get into it. We have a nifty little package. I like little packages. Little packages are fun. All right, here's our toolkit and here's our bag of goodies because we got dangly things. So we have little hooks and rings and all kinds of stuff to put together to make these dangle. And then we have things to dangle. We've got beads. Look, we have stars in there, in those beads. That's one bead. It's like a clear bead with a star in the center. Look at that. Cool. There's 2 of those, one for each of these guys. And then we have our little prism here at the bottom. Like that, little prism. Okay. And then we have our drills. And we have 2 dragonflies. I've gotten dragonflies before, but I think they're different than these 2. So these are plastic, that acrylic, the thicker, and they're double-sided. Love it. I have these hanging outside right now. I have both of them outside. And I think these will be perfect to go in my greenhouse, right? I can decorate my greenhouse, and they can dangle and hang out there. I think it's all rhinestones of different colors, so we're not going to get into all of those, but there you go. Fun little project to work on. Fun, fun, fun. Till your daddy takes the T-bird away or something like that, right? All right. Next. Actually, I'm going to wait a second because my phone's going to die. So I'm going to need to recharge and then I'll come back. All righty, battery's charged. Let's finish this up. All right, so I got a set of cards. Cards are a lot of fun to do. If you've never done them, check them out. They have nice cards. Let's see what these are. I don't remember. So first of all, here's our envelopes. So these, let me just say first of all, these are square envelopes. They're a larger envelope. They're going to take more postage to send them out. Just know that. I made the mistake of sending out some Christmas cards one time, and 1 stamp was not enough. So put 2 to be sure. All right. These look like they're all regular drills. They are regular drills. And let's see what the cards are. Okay. So what do we have? It says best wishes on the back, and it has a tulip on the front. None of this background gets diamond painting. No, none of the background gets diamonds, just the tulip. All right. Oh, yeah, that's right. They're all floral. Best wishes, more flowers. So this one has a little more to drill because it's got more flowers. But they're really pretty, aren't they? Look at this bunch of tulips. Love that one. Oh, those pink tulips. Love it. What else do we have? Oh, we have a rose. Nice. I like the backgrounds with the clocks and the keys and the... Neat. Oh, that's a dragonfly even. But another tulip, a single tulip. They all say best wishes. I'll show you the inside. Pretty, right? Very pretty. Oh, this one you diamond paint a butterfly. So we have a butterfly and then some flowers up here in the corner. That one's super nice. I like that one. And then the final one is another group of tulips. So the insides are completely blank. You just fold them in half. You peel back your plastic here, and you write your own message inside. That's a nice set of cards. I like those. They're all really pretty. And they can be used for any occasion you'd like, because it just says best wishes. It could be for anything, right? And then your drills are regular drills, and it's just a plethora of colors. Pink, red, green, purple, white, everything's in there. All right, so the cards, very nice. Very, very nice. All right, what do we have in here? There's something fun in here. Little bags always have fun things. Love the small bags. All right, here we go. This is what your toolkit looks like, and this one has a hanging chain, so I know this is going to be a hanging object. Here's our drills. Red crystals, white crystals, blue crystals, pale, pale yellow, and some stars. Any clues? Just by looking at the drills, any clues? Yeah. It's 4th of July, man. Made in the USA, my little gnome. This is a nice, thick acrylic. Not a lot to drill on it, but there's plenty. It's full coverage, really. I like it. Stars go on his hat. Love it. Love, love, love. And then your hanging chain, you'll hang here and you have yourself a little 4th of July decoration. I love it. Love, love. Plastic's on here. Just peel it back. Nice. There it is. There is not a whole lot more to say about that one. That's what I was trying to spit out of my mouth. It's not working properly anymore. 6 videos in one day is a lot, okay? Yeah, I took a break and planted some flowers, but that's super cute. Love it. I have one more item to show you here, and I think this one's going to be a beauty. Look, it comes in a box. You know what they say, small packages and boxes. They always have good things. Good stuff. So let's see what we get. Drills. Oh, there are rhinestones. Yay. Oh, there's our piece. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Okay, let's see. What else? Okay, so this will light up. Here, you put batteries in your little box here, and have these little fairy lights. You'll just run them around, in and out, back and forth. I wonder if it has holes or not. Let's see. Nope, no real holes for them, so you'll just wrap it around the piece. That's your toolkit, looks like. This is the chain to hang it by, and then this is like double-sided sticky, which is supposed to help keep the lights on. I have a piece like this, and it doesn't really work all that well. A piece of tape over the light string actually works pretty well too, so there's that. All right, we'll look at the drills in a second. You want to see the piece? I know that you do. Look how pretty it is. It is so pretty. It's this beautiful butterfly, and one half of the butterfly is all flowers, and the other half is the butterfly's actual wings. I love that. And then the butterfly up the center. They had a few more that were similar, but they had like had crosses for their body. And I don't know, I just didn't feel like having a cross for the body. I wanted a true butterfly, and that's what I got here. Isn't it gorgeous, though? There's a hole here and a hole here to hang it from, you know. I love it. Peel your plastic back and go to town. Looks like we have at least 14 different drills, because I see big 14s there. Love it. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? I love the pink. I love everything about it. I want to do that like now. I'm sorry, I felt like something was biting me. Like I said, I've been outside planting and I think something's crawling on me. I don't know. Maybe it's just my own hair, but I feel like there's like a bug. I don't know. There's things out there that eat you and bite you and sting you and poke you. It's wild out there. All right, let's look at all this fun stuff we have. Okay, there's our specials over there. So here's our rhinestones. Clear, dark ruby red, like a peachy coral, a light pink, a medium pink, a magenta pink, a light green, a medium green. They're almost the same. An orange, and just some black for its body. Yep, that'll be the body. And here are our specials. So I think these are the eyes and a couple little spots on its body. Black pearls. Black pearls. And we have some red pearls. Smooth, red, shiny. Centers of the flowers. And look at how pretty those are. Oh my gosh, look how pretty those are. Right? Those are our flower petals. Love it. I want to do this like right now. I want to do it right now. I'm looking at things that I can actually hang outside for the summer and in my greenhouse. And because my greenhouse is not just a greenhouse full of dirt. No, it's going to be cute. It's like my little she shed hangout place too, as well as a greenhouse. You know what I'm saying? So I want to decorate it and make it cute, you know? Yeah. So anyhow, that's what I have for you today from DIYChoose. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I will link everything below so that you can find them if you're interested in any of these products. So until next time, enjoy it. Just enjoy it. Summer is here for us. I know it's not summer for everybody, but spring, summer is here. Enjoy. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your family. All that good stuff. Come back, see more videos, hit the like button, subscribe, do all those YouTube things that you guys do. All right. And I hope to see you soon. All right. Take care, everybody.